Kindicare is a unique two-sided marketplace platform for childcare. The Kindicare mobile app helps parents find the best childcare centre for their needs. The Kindicare CRM delivers a complete engagement solution for every childcare provider, from advertising to enrolment. I'll talk you through the easy process of claiming your centre and taking control of your listing, which is just 4 simple steps. Find, claim, update, and engage. You've received an email from Kindicare informing you there's a new inquiry. In the email notification from Kindicare, there's a link highlighted in blue. This takes you straight to the page, Find and Claim Your Centre. Simply enter your childcare centre name or search by suburb. Select your centre. If you can't find your centre, don't worry. Send us an email and our friendly customer care team will help you. Now check your centre details. Confirm you're not a robot by completing the recapture on the bottom of the screen and then Claim Centre. Almost done. Enter your name and agree to the declaration to sign up. If we have the wrong email address, enter your preference here. We'll email you straight back to confirm it's you, with instructions to complete your claim. Simply follow the email link to create your account on Kindicare. Use your email address or create a unique username, create a password, then that's it. You're straight into your Kindicare CRM account. You're now all set to respond to your first inquiry. If you also subscribe to the free 30-day trial of Kindicare Premium, you can update your centre's details, including your centre's services, prices, photos, description, features and inclusions. Kindicare helps centres increase enrolments and save time. Welcome to Kindicare CRM.